in search of something which is very supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, something which is very, very extraordinary. In all, I and me will be constantly interacting with each other in order to form that super set of self. मेरा ऐसा मतलब मौका हुआ है books को पढ़ने का, and then to know some theorists who have put forwarded some of the theories, जैसे psychoanalytical theory हो गया Sigmund Freud का, एक French sociologist है, he has put forward, okay, his name is Jean-François Lyotard. He has certain concept of that false self and I. There is one more philosopher, Carl Jung के बारे में आप तो सुना ही होगा, Carl Jung. Posing and pondering. Take a time and think. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? We have a specific term called Bildungsroman. So that term is, which is called as age of formation or age of education.
Sure. Mahendra is right. He makes this statement actually. Those who claim to be just spiritual and completely devoid himself or herself from so-called materialistic stuff, he is an incomplete man.
Okay, with that, I would like to say a more Vincent Omnia for me that...
Dr. Atrey Kashyap, how's the Sunday going?
Hello, sir. My Sunday is going quite interesting today. And जैसा प्लान किया था, आपने बहुत बार इनवाइट भी किया और हो नहीं पाया था. But today we had the chance to talk again.
Okay. Okay. I'm intervening you here because मैं मैडम को invite क्यों किया था, I'll tell you. She was my colleague maybe a year back. She was a guest faculty in the Department of Humanities and Social Science at NERIST, and she would be everywhere. She would be comparing an event. She would be judging a certain dance program or maybe some theater craft or talk events,
literary events.
And so I happened to met her on those occasions, and whenever I have any conversation with you, madam, it always ended up me getting a fresh perspective about it. You have a certain knack of seeing things in it, I don't know, twisted from my perspective. It's not twisted in the twisted sense. So I thought that you are a borderline philosopher. Maybe perhaps because you follow philosophy quite profoundly. For me, I don't follow philosophy academically. I'm a science guy. But then I always want to connect science with the life philosophy itself. I normally do that in the class, whatever I understand. मतलब बोले तो मैं even Newton's law को मैं philosophy के साथ connect करके मैं बात करता हूँ. तो इसीलिए मैं आपको हमेशा बोलता था कि let's have a conversation. Finally आप आ गए. तो मैडम आप एक साल पहले मेरा कलीग थे, अब तो नहीं है, you have gone somewhere.
Yeah.
तो आप थोड़ा अपना introduction formally दे दीजिए मेरे audience को.
Okay, so hello everyone, this is Dr. Atrey Kashyap, and currently I am working in another university as a research coordinator, and I have met sir in NERIST, and then we have enjoyed few of the academic events over there, and then वहीं पे हम लोगों का जो बात होता था, तो it ended to some begging pockets of philosophical perspectives. We beg home.
Yeah.
We beg home perspectives. So from there, since till date, we have always had a very interesting conversations.
Correct.
जितना भी हुआ है, specific हुआ है, crisp and content रहा है.
But
So,
we used to dissect things.
and we end up, discovering ourselves in such mind-boggling cases कि ये हुआ है, ये भी concepts है. So those are always fascinating moments for me, and thank you so much for inviting me here, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So this conversation is going to be special, basically different from whatever I have posted up till now. First thing, आज मैं बिना चश्मा का हूँ. दूसरा, मैं normally I sit on that side of the table, आज मैं इस साइड बैठा हूँ. तीसरा, normally मेरा सवाल जो रहता है वो स्पीकर का एक्सपर्टीज या डोमेन का ऊपर आई ट्राई टू ब्रिंग थिंग्स आउट ऑफ इट टू द टेबल सो दैट माय ऑडियंस गेट्स एजुकेटेड. टुडे ऐसा कुछ मैं करने वाला नहीं हूँ. हम एक टॉपिक चूज करेंगे एंड विल डायसेक्ट इट. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. So topic मैडम आप चूज कीजिए. और by the way आपका थोड़ा let me make myself aware of your educational background because I have never asked you about it.
My educational background is like I have completed my BA MA honors in English literature.
Okay.
I taught for like this would be my 5th year of into the
Academics.
academics profession, and I have completed my PhD in interdisciplinary subject that is cultural and creative studies. I studied folklore over there, and I am a newbie folklorist. And I kind of like to, introduce myself as an ethnographer. So I basically like to study people and their lifestyle, their identity,
Everyone does that.
their backdrops,
Everyone does.
and from a cultural perspective.
Okay.
So since my tag is with cultural and creative studies, so I would rather say that I love to study people not from anthropological background, but from, an ethnographical background.
Madam, everyone studies people.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone judges everybody.
Judge. That is not my
Everyone-
domain.
Everyone.
I don't judge people, but I simply love to study people and observe people.
Okay.
So for me, as you said, we don't have topic. तो randomly जैसे हम लोग नेरेस्ट में बैठ के बात करते थे regarding all of our concepts and experiences, if I bring to the table the concept of self and I
Are they different, by the way?
I and self,
According to you, I and self.
no, that is, for me, what I think is self is the box. Self is the greater box. And with that, we have two factors which, unifies or which brings the concept of self, that is I and me.
And I and me are different. Are you saying that? Let's see.
To some extent. Yeah, let's explore
Now-
because I have some perspective for that. And I'm sure
I will have
आपके पास भी
perspective.
बहुत
Oh, yeah. Hey.
सारा है.
Okay. So since you started it, apply something on the table. Let's see.
Okay, so for me, since I come from a very like literary background, मेरा ऐसा मतलब मौका हुआ है books को पढ़ने का, and then to know some theorists.
Theorists.
Yeah, theorists who have put forward some of the theories, जैसे psychoanalytical theory हो गया Sigmund Freud का.
Sigmund
Sig-
Freud, I know, in the way of that he could decipher dreams.
Decipher dreams, and also his tripartite model of id, ego, superego that helps in,
Really
formulating
Yeah.
the concept of self and I. So, but obviously he will be there somewhere around, but I will try to focus on the stages. मतलब as a learner, हम लोग तो सब, I like to introduce myself as a learner. Every now and then we learn new things. So, आप अगर किसी एक position को specifically choose करके बोलेंगे, so there might be some sort of limitations. You never know. If we end up in situation, suppose if I call myself a teacher, I have to act as a teacher into certain situation. But learner is that robe you can wear anytime.
Teaching is your action, and learner is your approach towards life.
Yeah.
Because you have to teach being a teacher. Anyways, I'm not disturbing you, so please go ahead.
No, it's not. So you are not disturbing me, sir. It's just back to the, spots where we have left it. हम लोग का जो पहले discussions था, तो अभी भी वैसा ही है. So the thing is that I would like to bring forward the concept of mirror stage. आपको mirror तो पता होगा sir. Mirror stage is death
आईना.
in love. आईना. Yes, आईना. तो आईना तो हम सब लोग देखते हैं, रोज देखते हैं, and that is the concept where we get the mirror stage. The mirror stage comes from that.
Okay.
तो एक French, psychiatrist, and he has developed this term called mirror stage.
Okay.
And why it has come? Because somewhere एक उन्होंने theory formulate किया था कि when a kid grows up, specifically trying to speak from a kid's perspective till us, like the last phase of our life, we all faces the stages of life. So, जो I का concept है वो first stage से होता है, that is the mirror stage. Mirror stage में जैसे एक मतलब छोटा बच्चा अपने mirror में अपने आप को देखता है, he sees an he or she identifies himself, like through the help of the caregiver, someone being mother, father, or any sort of caregiver who is there.
You haven't specified the age of the.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. The specified age is like, it is approx like 5 to 18 months between that. So, right, caring from a baby till to the adult stage. So, what are the stages we come through and how it helps in formulating a self and I? So, after that comes the ego formation.
Madam, what if the caregiver never, never were in a position to, let the child see the mirror?
But since there is the concept of mirror stage is there. So, let's assume that mirror is there. So it becomes easier to put my perspective into the tip.
We engineers do a lot of assumptions actually.
Yes.
I never knew
So
that
do us.
philosophers also do that.
We also assume things, and preconceived notions are also sometimes there.
Oh.
We being humans.
So that means this question almost is null and void.
Yeah.
There has to be mirror.
There has to be a mirror.
For the mirror thing, what you say?
Yes, mirror stage develop.
To be explained.
To be explained.
Okay.
सर अब मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है तो यहाँ पे मिरर का स्टेज है तो दैट मीन्स मिरर होना ही है तो होने देते हैं ना सर मिरर
ओके दे दिया मिरर दे दिया बच्चे
ठीक है तो मिरर दे दिया बच्चा को मिरर में देख लिया बच्चे ने देन ही और शी आइडेंटिफाइज विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ केयर गिवर बिकॉज अ बेबी वुड नॉट नो दैट आई एम अ बॉय आई एम अ गर्ल सो राइट फ्रॉम देयर टिल द ईगो फॉर्मेशन अभी आई एम अ ही आई हैव टू वर्क टू द मैस्कुलिन साइड I am a she. I will be influenced by the feminine side. So the ego formation comes. Like, if I am a girl now, that means what? I have to have dresses and work like, simple randomly जो होता है, girls जैसे function करते हैं, boys जैसे function करते हैं. Then comes the topic of alienation and idealization. So alienation and idealization comes from what? If we
alienating himself or herself from whom?
From whom? That is the concept. If you see that I am a girl, I am alienating myself from the masculine side. I am completely feminine now. That means what? I am not assimilating to the masculine side
But
at that moment.
You are just narrating somebody else's philosophy, right?
No, I am not narrating it, but I think that I am going through that stages.
No, you said you name somebody, right?
Yeah.
And so, I mean, the main female wala theek hai. Just, maybe a few weeks back, I had uploaded a video on LGBTQ.
Yes,
So
that gender is also there. That gender is also there without hurting the sentiment of anyone. That gender is also there, definitely. But I'm just speaking of identification and I. That is also a very good concept. Like, today's LGBTQ and then everyone who is seeking for a space. Yes, that is a different.
It is not. I have already covered.
You have already covered. So let's speak the concept of I.
Yeah.
So alienation and idealization comes, and how will we act according our अभी तो आ गया हम लोगों का हम लोग फेमिनिन साइड में घुस गए हम लोग मैस्कुलिन साइड में घुस गए and we are alienating ourselves from the two domains. Then comes the desire to be seen and understood.
Desire to be understood is understood. Desire to be seen, ये क्या चोचला है?
That is the validation. So see, many of the things like if you see the adolescent boys and girls, वो इतना parents लोग बोलते हैं ये इतना बात नहीं करता है, वो बाहर नहीं निकल के जाता है. I mean, why? आपको क्या लगता है? Why? Any of such?
क्या लगता है मुझे पता है. जो adolescence का बात कर रहा है, he or she just hit puberty.
Yeah.
And they are confronting their sexuality.
Yeah.
And the hormones are very, let's say, the hormones are having party.
Maybe that's a case of a hormonal balance or imbalance kind of thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Then of course, they're exposed to people their age. They are exposed to people beyond their comfortable zone of family. So
now do you see that the stage is developing, the concept of I is developing?
I can see that.
So now, okay, adolescent तक आ गया, यहाँ पे हम लोग रुक रहे हैं, and now since we brought the concept of mirror, वहाँ पे और एक आ रहा है term that is known as the social mirror. The social mirror, that means the things which we get back from the society, a reflection from the society, the influences from society, or more aptly saying, we, being as the netizens, we are ruled by the network now. जो social platforms हैं,
Yeah.
अब जो हम लोग को rule कर रहे हैं, हम लोग क्या बन रहे हैं? We are becoming netizens.
At least during that stage of life.
Yeah,
At the least.
at the least. And then what happens? There comes the thing called influencers culture.
So these are Gen Z terms. Madam, you are bringing, I thought,
Everything. This is also there. Then, आ रहे हैं ना सर?
है ना, मुझे लगा आप एक फिलोसोफर का पुराना माइंडसेट को लेके
नहीं, फिलोसोफर ने वो स्टेजेस सेट किया है और हम लोग वो स्टेजेस से अभी तक आ रहे हैं and then today is the day we are functioning under the age of digital era. So just giving an example of that.
Okay.
अभी शायद डिजिटल एरा नहीं होता हुआ तो कुछ और चल रहा
I
है.
get it now.
So I'm just giving that perspective, sir. And then apart from that, after entering into the influences culture, there comes the game of gauges, the concept of likes and views, the validation. You ended up being entrapped in a net world. तो वहां पे अभी कंसेप्ट हो रहा है कितने लाइक्स कितने व्यूज आ रहे हैं एंड दैट मेक्स योर सेल्फ एंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मेरा ये वीडियो पॉपुलर हो रहा है, मेरा ये फोटोज पॉपुलर हो रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स दैट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सेल्फ इवॉल्विंग ओवर टाइम.
Okay.
Now, leading to the other part of it, there comes the perpetual lack.
Perpetual lack.
Perpetual lack means what? We kind of stress lacks ourselves. Now, there is this new term to you, maybe, sir.
Absolutely new term.
So, stress means what? We all are taking stresses,
The stress is the response of our body to any pressure that's there from.
and lax is the other part of the word relax.
Okay.
Suppose if you were given the phone, okay, you were sitting in your fine room in the month of July where everyone else is vacationing, uploading pictures. Maybe you would not react. You would react some, in a different way. But sometimes what happens? People are going through constantly the photos and pictures that people are uploading in the platforms, social platforms, and in that way, that person who is watching those pictures and videos sitting over in his room, he is stress-laxing. He wants to be in that vacation zone. He wants to go and check out places and, people who are doing. And there...
Are these terms official?
Yes, stress-laxing.
I'll find out in Google.
Definitely, please do. So stress-laxing is one of those terms where you are trying to relax, but you are ended up being caught in stress. Okay, मुझे तो जाना था, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? अरे सारी दुनिया तो इधर-उधर pictures ले रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं. You're understanding? So, वहाँ से वहाँ तक जा रहे हैं. And there somewhere we end up with this concept of false self. अभी जब internet का बात आ गया है, there will be so much of layers and filters. So there comes the concept of false self, where again another philosophy will come. मतलब एक French sociologist है, he has put forward. Okay, his name is Jean-François Lyotard.
Okay.
He has certain concept of that false self and I. So for him, he says that I is. It's not a fixed entity. For all of us, it is not a fixed entity. We evolve over time and we are subject to situations and time. And it is more of a fluid construct, mask of sorts, which are governed by societal rules and power dynamics of the environment. तो यहाँ पे और एक स्टेज आता है सर I का, जैसे I is more active, spontaneous, and ever-evolving. And there, within, comes the concept of me. So, me, I acts and me reflects. And those two governs the concept of self. Yourself.
Okay.
So, what happens if we break down the concept of I again here, the first one will be I as a subject. As I said, हम लोग सब वक्त का मोहताज है, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना?
We are in the stage of flux all the time.
Yeah, we are always.
We are not static, man.
We are not static. So the first stage is I as a subject.
Okay.
So you, me, we both sitting here. We are subject of time.
Correct.
We are subject of time, and then again, the sources of novelty comes now.
Source of what?
Sources of novelty.
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 Okay.
So novelty here means I'll bring the concept of uniqueness,
Yeah.
the individualistic traits,
Originality.
originality.
Correct.
Just say what makes you different from me, what makes me different from you. As simple as that.
May not be original, but it's variable.
Authentic.
Authentic, yeah.
Rather, we'll switch to the word authentic.
हाँ.
मतलब हम लोग perfect नहीं है, but we are real over here.
Okay.
Then there is this interesting term, the dynamic relationship between I and me. Now, if I am sitting here and if I all of a sudden, starts to act very rude, so that will end up you getting a concept of me that I am a rude person.
So I'm receiving your I as a me.
No. If I am acting rude,
That I of you is acting.
yes,
What I of
that is reflecting me.
Okay.
That, okay, she is a rude person.
Oh. So that's
But
the opinion I made about you, no?
Yes. That is the opinion.
Mm.
And then the last one is almost, sorry, not almost. I mean, it's one of the interesting and fine, category of the four of the categories that forms the concept of self. That is the unpredictable thing. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना सर, oh, it has surprised me that मेरे पास ये गुण था, मेरे पास ये talent था, मुझे पता ही नहीं था. So sometimes we end up exploring ourselves in certain ways and certain situation. That is the unpredictable thing.
Okay.
So those are the stages.
Madam, may I?
Yes, definitely.
I have, as the audience has been made aware about it, I have a different perspective. You have a different perspective almost all the time.
Almost all of it.
What you have spoken seemed to me as a very linear line.
Yeah.
Unidirectional linear line. All right. And it had more of a social context more than the scientific way of seeing it. I am a man of science.
Yeah.
So my way of seeing from the context where you put this thing on the table about I, me and self is a little bit different.
Okay. I would like to know, sir.
Okay. So you spoke about the mirror thing. What is that?
Mirror stage.
Mirror stage. And I tried to understand what if there was no mirror, and you just brushed off my question. So when a child is born, when anybody is born for that matter, for me it's just a product of nature. That's how nature is. And one of the laws of nature is the life by itself, wherever it gets manifested in the form of in let's say flora and fauna or animal kingdom or humans. The life wants to continue itself in that vessel. All right. So when a new life is being manifested in the form of a baby, the life within the baby would somehow tend to survive in the baby. So there, he is born with certain toolkits coming through our evolutionary scheme of, evolutionary science, that if certain support system is provided to the child, it will survive. So in the support system comes your caregivers, your mother, father, and the protective environment. With mirror or without mirror, the child will prosper. And then during the formative year, let's say at the age of 5, 6, or from the born time to age of 4, 5, 6, धीरे धीरे उनका brain develop होता है. When the brain gets developed, the most important part that needs to be developed by that time is language. So when the language is being created in your mind, or you get hold of a certain language is nothing but a certain set of sounds or images that you can combine and create some logic out of it. So you start to think you start to think basically. When I said think means thinking rationally. Taking it assumption thinking means thinking rationally. So when you think rationally, you are supposed to question the things that surround you because we are born inquisitive. We question the things, and we become a scientist during that time basically because everything is new for us, and we want to understand everything in its rawest form that I can see it. But by that time, again, as you have said about second stage was what? If I vaguely remember, you said that
Ego formation.
yeah, ego formation. If I'm a man, I have to follow the footsteps of my father. If I'm a female, maybe a mother is my ideal person I should follow. So yeah. So if the gender is something that is being almost part of the ego formation, then your identity, so-called identity that is imprinted on you, becomes a major ego formation as well. Like for example, me, till let's say third or fourth year of my life, I wasn't Navamte. I was just a product of nature, as I've said, just like animal. There was just life that got bottled up in my body, and the life wanted to survive. And I had a support system of my mom, dad, and all. All right. But then I was given this name, Navamte. With that sense of identity or sense of ego, as you've said, develop होना शुरू हो रहा है. So with Navamte came कि मैं नाबम हूँ. So I belong from a certain community, which is not my choice.
That is the self-consciousness. अभी conscious
नहीं,
level में आ रहा
मैं वो थोड़ा उसमें और बाद में जाऊंगा. I find this words very profound. मैं उसको I'm sorry to say बहुत cheaply use करना नहीं चाहता. थोड़ा और तो नावम के साथ निशी आया, निशी का सपना चला, इंडिया जो भी आया. मतलब the whole point is, जब मेरा दिमाग शुरू हो रहा था रैशनल थिंकिंग करने के लिए, उसी टाइम पे मुझे बॉम्बार्डमेंट ऑफ डेटा दे दिया है. एंड वो डेटा हमको मुझे एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? It's of course for my own good, लेकिन इसको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो when you accept things, you stop questioning. So when you stop questioning, तो आपको रैशनलिटी उसमें गायब हो जाता है. You are taking things as it is. तो वैसा ही करते करते कंफ्यूजन में वो adolescence पहुंच गया. And you spoke about adolescence.
Yeah.
And you said that what was that about adolescence you said?
I said that adolescence में क्या होता है? Alienation, idealization होता है.
Alienation, idealization. Okay, fine. So when you hit your puberty during adolescent time, as I've actually also intervened and said, during puberty, पहले तो class, at the age of 4 and 5, your brain was developed. उसके वजह से आपको language मिला, and you could think about it, and you could accept that you are an Indian or whatever, right? उसके बाद, when you hit your adolescence, your certain hormones are at play. उन लोगों का भी शुरू हो जाता है. Then it's not your identity that plays the game, neither your brain. It's the hormones that has full control over you. So you are just an expression of your hormones. You started getting attracted to people of the opposite sex, if you are straight or otherwise. All right. फिर that things what govern you, और ये बहुत टाइम तक चलता है. Adolescence से लेकर टीनेज तक ये चलते ही रहता है. और उस बीच में your parents, your society that has given you the identity has some expectations from you as well. इसमें टीनेजर लोगों का धज्जिया उड़ जाता है. एक तो मेरा अंदर क्या चल रहा है, I cannot tell this society. Society जो बोल रहा है, and I am not finding it very relatable otherwise. So this substance abuse, for the matter, even alcoholism, everything starts at this age.
Yeah, definitely.
It's an escapism.
Yeah, escapism.
फिर आप थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेगा, फिर आपको बोलता है कॉलेज पढ़ना है, हायर एजुकेशन करना है. कॉलेज में आप जाओगे तो now you are actually leaving your support system.
Yeah.
To a new arena altogether. And तब तक आपको थोड़ा अपने बारे में आइडिया हो जाता है कि मतलब you have some partial sense of yourself, so called I थोड़ा सा तो
आता है उसमें.
develop हो चुका
होता है.
And you meet somebody else completely from different world. उसका भी अपना आई डेवलप हो चुका, यू अंडरस्टैंड. लेकिन दोनों का आई डेवलप करने का जो बैकग्राउंड था, जमीन आसमान का फर्क. तो जब दोनों मिलता है, फिर एसिमुलेशन होता है. तो एलियनेशन एसिमुलेशन तब भी चलते रहता है. उसके बाद पढ़ाई भी करना है. देन पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाता है 20-23 whatever years में. Then suddenly you are being told that I am not going to support you anymore by your parents. Then the world falls on you. आपको कमाना पड़ता है. Then you hustle. And hustling.
सर ओके सर यहाँ पे
इस चीज की बात कर रहा था, आप बोलिए.
हाँ डेफिनेटली. आपने जब अभी बोला व्हेन एडोलेसेंट किड्स, नॉट एडोलेसेंट इन जनरल टर्म्स, अगर किसी और को मिले सपोज फ्रॉम अदर, यू नो, हम लोग का जो आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट होता है, द सेल्फ, it is contributed by others also at times.
Others only.
Yes.
I want to make this point. Only others.
Yes. Okay. Only others.
वो बाद में मैं आऊंगा इस बारे में.
हाँ, तो only others. तो others का रोल इसमें क्या क्या है, कैसा हो सकता है? What are the role and the contribution of others in forming oneself?
Okay. I reserve your question for later
Yes,
stage. क्योंकि
yes.
मैं थोड़ा सा खत्म करने वाला हूँ.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे को याद है आप क्या बोल रहा था. I was making note in my mind.
Yeah.
उसके बाद फिर 25 के बाद पैसा कमाना शुरू होता है, and then he suddenly thinks that कि भाई शादी भी करना है, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स का तरफ से प्रेशर है, तो he find himself a partner, फिर फादर बन जाता है. तो बेसिकली all this लाइफ साइकिल में स्टेज साइकिल वो बस जी रहा है अदर्स के लिए. आगे देखा जाए तो मे बी 40-45 का बाद तब शायद आई बिकम्स स्ट्रॉन्गर or me becomes stronger whichever bracket we put it down. Now when I say others, because you have said something that really hit me properly. You said false, क्या बोला था आपने? कुछ
False self
ऐसा कुछ बोला था. तो मेरा तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट है कि the entire self
is false.
was false. ये जो कहानी में चल रहा है, ये कहानी में everything was false, क्योंकि you haven't given those identity contents to you. ऐसा देखा जाए तो you were born with
Nothing.
No, okay. Let me bring it. मैं इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूँगा. आपका जो discussion on the stages of life था, and you started with naming one philosopher, जो कि Western academic philosopher होता होगा. मैं इस साइड को थोड़ा सा मैं कभी कभी फॉलो कर लेता हूँ, ईस्टर्न साइड, चाइनीज इंडियन से. इसमें एक कॉन्सेप्ट है मैडम, मैं इसको बोलूंगा तो शायद मैं अपना को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊंगा. There's a concept of there are three words, प्रकृति, अहम, ब्रह्मा. और ब्रह्मा छोड़िए, ब्रह्मा भी तो आत्मा में बोलूंगा, क्योंकि ब्रह्मा से कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. प्रकृति is science, this law of nature, and it's work in the material world. Universe is made of matter. तो उसका बारे में जो भी the laws cause and effect govern करता है वो प्रकृति है, ठीक है ना. तो जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि I was born, it is just it's प्रकृति at its play, right? Animals हो, flora and fauna हो, universe हो, प्रकृति है. फिर जब मेरा माइंड डेवलप हो गया इन द प्राकृतिक खेल जो मैं डेवलप हुआ था, तो माइंड का तो कुछ काम है ही ना. अगर दिल है तो वो धड़केगा ही, इट विल पंप ब्लड. तो अगर माइंड डेवलप हुआ तो सोचेगा ही. सोचने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल तो लैंग्वेज है. तो सोचना जब शुरू करता है तो वो सेल्फ का कॉन्सेप्ट बनाना शुरू करता है. आई, मी, व्हाटएवर यू कॉल इट, जिसको हम इन द अम्ब्रेला टर्म वी कॉल इट ईगो, जिसको अहम कहते हैं. अहम शुरू होता है. उसके बाद ये प्रकृति हो, प्रकृति इज जैसा मैंने बोला, इट्स यूनिवर्स, नेचर. अहम है, इट्स कॉन्सेप्चुअल. विदाउट अहम ऑल्सो द यूनिवर्स विल रन. प्रकृति चलते रहेगा. अहम जो है, बिकॉज ब्रेन गेट डेवलप, तो उसमें वो अहम चलता है. यू क्रिएट अ स्टोरी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. दैट विल इंक्लूड योर आइडेंटिटी, योर फैमिली, योर कल्चर, व्हाटएवर. फिर एक जो मैं बोला आत्मा, जिसको मैं ब्रह्मा बोल रहा था, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू यूज दैट वर्ड. आत्मा इज the foundation or is the playground where all these things happen. प्रकृति भी कहाँ होता है? Where does the universe even exist? It needs to have certain space जहाँ पे exist होगा ना. ये कब कहाँ exist करता है? It needs to have certain space.
Exist करने के लिए.
मूवी कहाँ चलता है? टीवी स्क्रीन पे चलता है ना. तो स्क्रीन तो चाहिए ना मूवी चलने के लिए. It is not mystical, but it is still, we human beings are not there to comprehend what exactly it means. But prakriti is very much possible. We scientists and engineers, we have been doing that. We have been, bringing that out कि ये क्यों चलता है, क्यों होता है. But this ego जो बोलता है, जो actually मेरा identity है ना, वो तो false लगता है मुझे. ये मेरा कहना है.
That is the false self. And then आप अभी जो बोल रहे हो, here there is a saying that I is the active and the very much the one which is open to reactions. जो evolve होने के लिए reactions चाहिए, experience चाहिए. The I is that part. And it is in a constant interaction with more of structured and socialized me, the concept of me. जो me होता है, somewhere responsibilities आ जाते हैं, and that involves me. And then I ka jo hai, you want to evolve, you want to learn something, you want to change your mindset, but sometimes the me restricts, because you being a me, you were entrapped in a home, in a certain decorum, in a certain function. You have to act as a father, you have to act as a husband, but the I is something which is always open to, you know, changes and behavioral changes, or maybe any sort of changes.
So the father is I or me?
That is the self.
Okay.
The both two factors will be there, sir. We cannot distinguish it from each other.
लेकिन
I भी govern करेंगे sir, me भी govern करेंगे. That becomes the, you know, the greater formation of self.
मेरा जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है आप ही के बात से जो कि ओके सेल्फ, आप बोल रहे हैं कि सेल्फ थोड़ा उनका सुपरसेट है.
Superset.
Self is the आदमी.
Yeah.
Let's say I am me as a male.
Myself.
Me as a male is self. Okay.
Yeah.
Me as a father is my I. Okay. Me as a son is my I. Me as a teacher is an
Your
I.
I.
Me as your friend right now is an I. But me being a man,
Is me.
one second, is self according to
Yeah.
me. क्योंकि
Okay, self.
क्योंकि मैं फादर तभी बनूंगा जब मैं आदमी हूँ. औरत होके फादर औरत नहीं बन सकता. तो आदमी बनने के लिए बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, सॉरी फादर बनने के लिए बैकग्राउंड आदमी चाहिए.
Masculine. हाँ.
तो वो मैं हूँ.
Yes.
मी. नो सेल्फ. अब मी का मेरा जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, जब मैं फादर भी नहीं हूँ, जब मैं बेटा भी नहीं हूँ, तब भी मैं कुछ हूँ.
तब भी कुछ हो आप.
हाँ. तो वो कुछ जो है वो मी होना चाहिए क्या? When I'm
Yes.
when you are stripped of your responsibilities, when you are stripped of
Stripped off your
your
responsibilities.
designations,
Everything. You were just walking free.
हाँ.
Everything.
हाँ.
That is me.
that is me.
Yes.
And for that me to happen, that
You have
self has to be there.
Self has to be.
मतलब me can only happen in
It's
self.
the superset.
हाँ,
Self
वही.
will always be there.
हाँ.
But there is this constant, you know, interaction between I and me.
Yeah.
ये हमेशा होता रहेगा.
Wait, I is externally engaging, me is looking inwards.
Inwards.
और ये external हो inwards हो, वो मैं
Self के
self
अंदर
में हो रहा है.
रहेगा.
जो मेरा केस में मैं आदमी हूँ.
आदमी.
Okay.
So that is the thing.
हाँ.
And moving forward now, अभी जैसे हम self और I के concept में बात कर रहे हैं, there is one more philosopher, Carl Jung के बारे में आप तो सुना ही होगा, Carl Jung. So उनका एक philosophy जैसे है, like he has put up a conceptual model of, you know.
एक सेकंड sorry. I, me and self concept में
हाँ.
अगर मैं जो ईस्टर्न वाला फिलोसफी थोड़ा लाया था,
हाँ, उसका
मैं अभी मिला सकता हूँ.
मिला सकते हो आप.
सेल्फ जो है ना वो तो आत्मा है.
आत्मा है.
उसका बियॉन्ड कुछ होता नहीं.
होता नहीं है.
लाइफ को ही सेल्फ कहा जा रहा है. अवेयरनेस को, कॉन्शियसनेस को सेल्फ कहा जा रहा है. द बैकग्राउंड जहाँ पे सब कुछ चलता है उसी को सेल्फ कहा जा रहा है. जो बियॉन्ड टाइम स्पेस है वो तो है ही ना. फिर उसमें जो प्रकृति है वो जो मेल वाला पार्ट है, जो है साइंस वाला पार्ट है. लेकिन जो ईगो वाला है, इट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग अराउंड इन द वर्ल्ड ट्रांजैक्शन.
Yes,
वो आपका आई है.
I है. And that itself is not real. ये real
तो फेक है ना. मैं तो बोला ही हूँ.
वही sir. That is imitation.
हाँ.
That is more of imitations. Imitation क्या होता है? Image होता है.
Image.
That is not the real self. So that is the formation of ego.
देखिए तो
So अभी मिलन हो रहा है.
हम दोनों का मिलन हो गया है अभी. देखिए.
So that's it. And also अभी और एक interesting stage में जा रहे हैं, वो है Jungian philosophy. Jungian जैसे Carl Jung का अभी he has developed the conceptual model on adulthood, like how the stages comes. अभी आपका भी आएगा inputs और यहाँ पे मेरा भी आ रहा है. The first stage of that model is athlete stage. The athlete stage, number 1, that is the youth, the self-absorbent part. और सबसे ज़्यादा अभी हम लोग simplify करें तो ब्रह्मचार्य, the self, the youth.
Okay.
Then comes the concept.
I have a different meaning of brahmacharya.
Yeah, that is a different meaning. But I am just trying to assimilate and align it for us to, you know.
Okay. Carry on.
हाँ, perspectives जो मिले वो उसके लिए. तो सर उस पहला आता है एथलीट स्टेज, वो है यूथ का हो गया. एंड दैट इज द सेल्फ एब्जॉर्वेंट पीरियड. सेल्फ एब्जॉर्व मतलब खुद को जानना, यू नो, ट्राइंग टू नो मोर अबाउट योरसेल्फ, एक्सप्लोरिंग योरसेल्फ, investing energies on yourself. Then comes the concept of warrior stage. Warrior stage hits with responsibilities. You being a man, the bread earner, the family, everything, career, the warrior stage comes. And that is the grihastha, the grihastha of our concept. Then going to the third stage, that is more of a statement stage. Statement stage aisa hai, more than individualistic growth, it comes to collective growth. When a person becomes a retired person, a dweller, that is vanaprastha. जैसे अभी मेरा हो गया है, अभी मेरा legacy छोड़ के जाना है. That is not the personal growth, that is the collective growth. कि मेरा ही नहीं, अभी मतलब मेरे आने वाले सारे generations के बारे में मुझे सोचना है.
Baby, लेकिन थोड़ा selfish हुआ ना.
Sir, selfish तो नहीं हुआ. That is the collective growth.
You are giving a name of collective growth,
Yeah.
but he still wants to satisfy his own.
No, I'm just giving an example. I'm just giving an example, sir. It is not, I'm not generalizing everything. I'm just putting forward a tiny बातों का बात जैसे होता है ना. That is
तो मेटा बात कहते हैं.
meta बात. Okay. So meta बात में ऐसा होता है, we have entered the vanaprastha stage now. Then what comes next is the spiritual stage. Spiritual statement. The last statement is spiritual statement, which is the inner call, the inner walk, or simply terming as sannyasa. So those are the 4 stages of Jungian philosophy. And then while formulating the concept of self, somewhere we have to enter those stages. And we end up entering those stages.
We can end up, or we can confront all those stages only if we live long enough, right?
Yeah, definitely. So age के बारे में तो अभी कुछ आया नहीं है talk. We were talking about self. So these are the stages we meet and or we encounter in our life. So these are the things. अभी same way, since I be from a literature background, हम लोग का novels का भी एक period होता है. Novels, जैसे आप novels पढ़ रहे हो, तो वहाँ पे
जो मैं नहीं पढ़ता, by the way.
आप तो पढ़ते होंगे सर. तो
No, madam. No.
okay, then that's fine. नहीं भी पढ़ते हो तो that's fine. It's nothing to say upon. There हम लोग मतलब क्या करते हैं? We pause and ponder the term. Pausing and pondering. You know, take a time and think. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? We have a specific term called Bildungsroman. Bildungsroman, once again. So that term is, you know, which is called as age of formation or age of education or the age of coming.
Age of assimilation.
More of assimilation. Age of formation, जैसे मतलब assimilate होके formulate होगा. So there, the journey begins in novel. Suppose there is this particular protagonist. If you are studying a particular genre, जैसे आप rude stories पढ़ लिया, travel stories पढ़ लिया, कुछ भी, वहाँ पे आप अगर उस साइड से नोटिस करेंगे, तो आपको मिलेगा the novel will teach you 4 stages. The first one is the loss. The second one is
There's too much of heavy. मतलब
no. Let me speak and like perspectives है ना सर.
नहीं मतलब too many concepts मेरा सर पे घुस रहा है.
तो अभी तो आपको निकालना पड़ेगा concepts.
वही मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ मतलब.
तो जैसे बिल्डन्स, वही हम लोग का जो सेल्फ के पर्सपेक्टिव के लिए 4 स्टेजेस होता है, तो नोवेल का भी सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी होने के लिए स्टेजेस से गुजरना पड़ता है.
Okay.
Just I'm giving an example of it. The first is it teaches us the loss. The second is it shows the journey. जैसे हम लोगों ने किड्स से लेके एडोलेसेंट तक बात किया, एक जर्नी होके आया है. इट इज ऑलवेज अ जर्नी, राइट? सो वंस यू हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर टिल नेरेस्ट, आप तो नेरेस्ट पहुंच गए. दैट इज अ डेस्टिनेशन. सो व्हाट इट हैपन इज द जर्नी. आप सुबह चाय पी के निकल गए, गाड़ी लेके निकल गए, रास्ते में क्या हुआ, इनसे मिला उनसे मिला. सो दैट इज द जर्नी. वी हैव कलेक्टेड स्टोरीज इन योर लाइफ. सो दैट जर्नी then comes personal growth through conflicts, battles, barriers, warrior stages जो आएंगे. So those are the stages. And finally, maturity. Maturity is where you get it towards the, plus 60, that dweller's side, the statement.
Sannyasi.
Yeah, sannyas. So it's more of that. And here I can relate that we have to enter these stages while growing up. Because simply if I'm a kid, I cannot just end up being a sannyasi. I have to know materialistic things to know that this is bad or this is good.
Osho you know, Bhagwan Datta is right. He makes this statement actually. Those who claim to be just spiritual and completely devoid himself or herself from so-called materialistic stuff, he is an incomplete man.
Yes.
And somebody who is only drunk in being materialistic is an incomplete man as well.
Incomplete man as well.
So a complete man who knows what he is, उसका अपना self knowledge है, and you know what the world is.
Yes.
World में material है.
Just like Mandala said, to love you need to understand the language of hate also.
Perhaps. But ये duality में आ रहा है. There's something called Advaita as well. I don't know if you have heard.
Yes, I have heard of that.
Advaita, जो actually वो duality को भी तोड़ देता है. Like me and I वो dualistic है. Right? Self is Advaita.
Yes, self is the superset, as you said.
It is Advaita.
And forever, ये I और me का जो constant interaction है, वो होता रहेगा.
वही.
Because we are subject to time.
Yeah.
And we are subject to situation.
Yeah. तो वही तो.
वही है.
जैसे टीवी का जो मूवी स्क्रीन का बोलता है, मैं भी या फिर स्क्रीन में ऑन होगा या ऑफ होगा, ये डुअल है.
ये डुअल है.
हाँ, सिर्फ ऑन होते रहेगा तो ऑफ का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है.
कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं है.
ऑफ होते रहेगा तो ऑन का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है.
जैसे we can put forward the concept of binary opposition. There is this theory called deconstruction. जैसे आज सुबह है, day है, there has to be night. तो इसीलिए the concept of सुबह है, day is day. So the world revolves with the concept of binary opposition.
Correct.
है ना sir?
Yes.
तो ये है, and then there is one more interesting thing that's coming up, that is.
मैंने थोड़ा रुकी.
Yes.
मैं information overload हो गया. अभी मेरे को इसको demystify या demystify नहीं बोलूँगा, depack करूँगा, unpack करने का ट्राई करूँगा. फिर आपके पास फिर से आएंगे. आपने स्टेज बोला किसका? कार्ल युंग का बोला.
Jungian's model.
हाँ, Jungian's model. Yeah. So the Carl Jung model that you said, again, if I have to give this side of perspective to it, आपने 4-5 stage बताया ना. Brahmacharya, you said the youthful stage,
athlete stage. If we put focus.
Then you warrior stage. Then you put the statement giving stage. The Rajsik bolo उस type का, and then you got give the spiritual वाला stage, सन्यासी वाला. आपने stages का context में बोला, मैं उसको level of awareness का context में I can give my idea of it. Of course, none of these ideas are my original. They're all borrowed.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is said that energy is something that is scientifically we say that it's energy that's what running the universe. All right. So energy is the self for that matter, and everything plays in that me, I का खेल वही चलता रहता है. So self is infinite. Energy is infinite. That's why technically also it has been said in a statement that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed, or it can be manifested in any ways. Okay. So anything that cannot be created or destroyed, that means it is beyond our comprehension. Our mind can only think in, it has to have boundaries. If it goes beyond it, we cannot comprehend it. So energy is incomprehensible.
Yes.
Okay. So like we as human beings, we are also guarded, controlled, or manipulated by energy. There are some group of people, human beings, I'm containing myself to the human being, whose energy levels, for that matter, energy portals are open only to survive and proliferate. What is that term? Proliferation नहीं. आगे generation को आगे बढ़ाने का what's the English term?
To reproduce?
Reproduce, yeah.
Reproduction.
Yeah. Survive and reproduce. So they come from that lower order of energy portals. ठीक है? उसमें आपको एथलीट वाला आ जाएगा उसमें. ठीक है ना?
एथलीट वाला.
हाँ, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि उनका एनर्जी इज यूज ओनली फॉर ईटिंग, बेसिकली डेली जो जिंदा रहने के लिए होता है, और मे बी इन द फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड वाला जो होता है, कोर्टिसोल हार्मोन जो रिलीज होता है, व्हाटएवर, just to survive. So although animal kingdoms has that energy level, they are like animals. I wouldn't say that they think a lot. I wouldn't say that they contemplate a lot. They are just guided by their instincts, animalistic instincts. In those instincts they survive. खाना मिलना है, shelter मिलना है, protection मिलना है, survival मिलना है, और reproduction होना है. ओके मैडम, तो उसमें से आपका वो स्टेज आ जाता है.
एथलीट स्टेज.
उसमें हल्का सा even warrior stage भी आता है. I'll tell you why. Because
Responsibility.
responsibilities. Animals are responsible.
The family.
Why responsible? For the reproduction to happen.
Reproduction. The
What-
race to continue.
Race to continue. That comes within that and that ladder only. Okay. So human beings, for the way I say things, human beings who are in the pursuit of, let's say, making money, I consider them following in this category.
Okay.
Because actually, you are still in the survival mode. You are still coming from the space of lack. You want to accumulate, so that your future generation is taken care.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So it's again in a survival mode only.
Survival mode.
If you go beyond that, if you raise yourself to a higher ladder, then the emotional intelligence, intellectual intelligence, your contemplation, all these things come. Animals, as I've said, they are surviving by doing this. For here, you go beyond this. So, I mean, if human beings are making money, not to make money, but to create something, or to express himself or herself, and if the money is off, I will put them in that category. Okay. So intelligent beings, let's say, there are certain couples who are not, who are sexually active only for reproduction. But once that quota is over, they are emotionally connected, they are soulfully connected, whatever you say. It's like companionship forever.
Companionship.
Forever. And they don't even cheat each other. Because they are done away. They are done with this thing. They have raised to the higher ladder. Higher ladder. So all this wisdom comes here. Okay. तो इसमें आपका वो दूसरा वाला आ जाता है, तो स्टेटमेंट देने का. स्टेटमेंट देने से पहले आपको विजडम देना जरूरी है.
You have to gain that wisdom stage.
Yeah. उसके बाद अब सन्यासी स्टेज होगा ना.
Spiritual stage.
हाँ, वो तो और ऊपर हाई. बहुत कम लोग ह्यूमैनिटी में वहां तक पहुंचा है जो आई मी से बड़ा होके वो सेल्फ में आ जाता है.
Self में.
वो साक्षी है. He is witnessing everything that's happening here.
Witnessed everything.
He is the screen which is witnessing the movie that is played. और यहाँ पे जो चल रहा है ना, वो मूवी चल रहा है. तो अगेन इसमें हम अगर
उसको रिलेट कर
सकते हैं, तो जो मूवी है that is being synthesized, वो आपका बीच वाला स्टेज है. जो सेकंड स्टेज वाला इंटेलिजेंट स्टेज है, क्योंकि मूवी को आप क्रिएट करते हो. लेकिन जो लाइट कितना गिरना है, कितना उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाना है, तब जो स्क्रीन चलेगा, दैट इज दो नीचे वाला प्राकृतिक स्टेज जो है, जो एनिमलिस्टिक स्टेज जो है, दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ नेचर एट प्ले. थिंकिंग इज नॉट लॉ ऑफ नेचर. Thinking is your own being, and then there's something beyond that. इसका अंदर सब कुछ होता है. That's how I would like to address your Carl Jungian's
concept of our stages.
मैं चाहता हूँ आप जो भी बोल रहे हो उसके साथ मेलाप हो.
हाँ, even I also want to know, because हम लोग का जैसा है वो perspectives का एक assimilation हो.
हाँ.
Both the perspectives, because we are commoners and we are trying to talk about life and stages of ourselves.
Yeah.
And also, coming back to mirror stage again.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे भी मतलब 3 concepts of mirror stage होता है. So it formulates the mirror stage. The first is real, the second is imaginary, and the third is symbolic. So ये 3 होता है. Real तो real होता है. Something which is happening in the real life.
No one can contest that. No one can form an opinion about it.
Yes.
Real to real है.
Real to real है. We cannot form an opinion, and it's the brutal fact. उसके बाद आता है imaginary. Imaginary में enter होते ही क्या होता है, आपका ego formation हो जाता है. Here comes the pyramid tripartite of ego, superego. आप ये करना चाहते हो, but you are in clutches. आप ये कर चुके हो, but then you have to face the consequences, the clashes, the constant fights. That is it. Then comes the symbolic. अब क्या हो? The question, the ultimate question. You are a symbol of what?
What do you represent? Is it no?
Yeah, मतलब हम लोग जैसे बोले ना, ideal I.
The
concept of ideal.
What are you?
Yeah, what are we? Who am I?
Yeah, who am I?
For me, I am nobody. I am just a subject to time. But then time to time, एक तो concept आया है ना. Now I am a teacher, I am a learner, this, that. And then in my 80s, I will not bear the same tag. I was once a teacher. I was once a, maybe a dancer.
That is your I.
That is the I. That is the I. But me at that time the present time is me. Now I am a retired person. That is me.
And the question mark will be yourself.
Self. So that is the thing. That leads to another theory that is called a social mirror theory. SMT.
Okay.
So SMT का होता है ऐसे कि sometimes we in the formation of self हम लोग थोड़ा भूल जाते हैं या फिर we try to sometimes it gets skipped out of our mind the contribution of others in formulating us. And sometimes what happen, we end up in a certain situation that we don't seek validation from our own self reflections, but we seek validation and perspectives from our peer groups.
It's the most of the time, no?
ये most of the time हो रहा है, but then we don't notice that. That is the social mirror theory. अभी आप मतलब ऐसा है, you dress up and check yourself in the mirror. कहीं ना कहीं आपके वहाँ पे concept है कि this way of dressing is proper and good to you. So that means you have to, आपको उस टाइप का ड्रेस पहन के जाना होगा.
दुनिया में जीना है तो उतना तो करना पड़ेगा.
That is the SMT.
Okay, bare minimum जो करना.
Bare minimum. लेकिन आप तो वो नहीं करके भी जा सकते थे. मतलब you would have just walked in with your slippers and just like that. But no, you will go accordingly so that people will notice you. And you don't fall into a trap of any sort of question. This is just a random example. So here is the concept of seeking validation, or rather you say validation of internal musings through the guidance and point of view of others. कभी कभी ऐसा आता है, अरे तुम तो ऐसा कर सकते थे, तुमने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया? And then you realize that, oh, that unpredictable nature of yourself.
Unpredictable nature of oneself. We haven't discussed about it.
We have discussed in the I breakdowns. I as a subject, then sources of novelty, then dynamic relationship of I and me, and then the unpredictable nature, exploring self. अरे मैं तो ये कर सकती थी, मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया? So those things.
Unpredictable nature जो है, आपने ऐसा अभी Western philosopher के academic understanding में थोड़ा
context मिला है.
I can give a scientific context here.
Okay.
And we are about to hit 1 hour mark, so maybe ये खत्म करके we'll put a question open to both of us.
Open to
both of us and for everyone to whoever is consuming this video. So the unpredictable thing, first of all, a part of it is brought by the evolutionary scheme of beings. Okay, the DNA, let's say. DNA, I hope you understand. I mean, if I have to give it in a more simpler term, DNA is just transfer of data. It's a transfer of memory. Like if the memory got erased, then nobody will look like me. My son will not look like me. It's just that it has been coded somewhere. And so, yeah, वो होता है. So it's not only the physical looks that जो transfer हुआ है मेरा उस memory of my lineage, even some characteristic behaviors and all those patterns are being, तो वो होता है, that could fall under the category of unpredictability, because when you are doing something and suddenly something else happens but through you, is because that DNA which was already coded was suddenly got triggered and it came out. All right, that's one. And then when I was talking about that, the brain gets developed by 5 years or something, and that's when you develop your language, and that's when you are supposed to develop your rationale, but then you are bombarded and you are pushed to it, all those identity thing. Actually, when you start to think, you can actually negate things, when you can question things. But when you are not thinking, let's say, from 0 to 4 years or 5 years, when your brain wasn't developing, yet your brain had the space to accumulate things. You're not thinking about it, but they are getting accumulated. Like our mind, or for that matter, brain has trillions of neurons in it. All right. And each neuron's jimmedari is to record whatever you hear, whatever you see, whatever smell, or whatever information that you can get.
If we take an example of a child who has just learned how to eat, for him everything is edible. He will bring it to us.
Correct.
Face, मतलब खाना ही है मुझे इसको.
Not necessarily, but that's correct. वो उसमें evolution का जो context है.
Evolution का context जो है.
नहीं, मेरा उसमें उसको रोक देगा कि प्लास्टिक चुके पता चलेगा.
That is the role of the caregiver. उसको identification का आ जाएगा कि ये नहीं खाना है.
मैं ये बोल रहा था कि कोई बच्चे तो पता चलता है कि ये नहीं खाया जाना चाहिए. वो
पता चलने के टाइम में he is understanding कि वो नहीं खाना है.
No, what I'm trying to say, he's not thinking कि नहीं खाना है. वो DNA से आया हुआ हो सकता है. That's what I'm trying to say. You are born with a toolkit. You are born with your equipment. ये कब यूज करना है, वो नेचर ने आपको दिया है. तो केयर गिवर तो डेफिनेटली वो करेंगे ही, बट I'm still touching that point.
Okay.
Anyway, so what I'm saying is when you are at the stage when you cannot think, basically you cannot reject anything that you can consider. Let's say I see you tomorrow. I can say that I don't want to think about her anymore, or maybe I will be indifferent to you. But when we are at that stage, you're gonna reject anything that's coming to you.
Yeah.
All right. So many things that got stored has never been touched, or has never been actually acknowledged by yourself. Is where the most of the unpredictability gets stored. वो तो जब किसी point of time पे some catalyst triggers it that comes out.
That comes out.
That is the scientific explanation of unpredictability.
So that is the scientific explanation. वही मैं simplify कर रही थी कि exploring ourselves, sometimes we lacked the self reflection of ourselves. We don't validate ourselves. डर लगता है, confidence नहीं आता है. क्या आता है? अगर वही आके कोई आपका दोस्त बोल दे, if he comes and say नहीं, you will do it fine, just go and give a shot. So you do it.
You are basically outsourcing your
Outsourcing.
क्या बोलेंगे उसको, affirmation to
Yeah.
somebody else.
That means we are seeking that push from someone else. We know that we can do it, but sometimes to identify the self, we are taking the help of the SMT, the social mirror theory. So there comes this. So in process of this, what I'd like to say is, in search of something which is very supercalifragilistic, expialidocious, something which is very, very extraordinary, or something which is very flawless or wonderful or mesmerizing something, we end up, or we are encountered by something which is floxinosinihilipilification, or in simple word, we can say something which is worthless. So in all, I and me will be constantly interacting with each other in order to form that superset of self. That is the concept.
मैडम 1 घंटा हो गया. I don't know हम कहीं पे पहुंचे कि नहीं पहुंचे. I don't know. Maybe when we see each other next time, whenever we see each other, we talk. All right. And हम जो बात करेंगे, I will reserve my talk for you to come on camera again.
Wow.
So this time we came unprepared, as in like you didn't know
No, rather, if you with the term unprepared, we would like to say we have put it something which is very authentic. Without preparation, it was purely simply our perspectives. Like,
no, perspective will be there in the future as well. But the topics that you have chosen about self and I, like I had absolutely no even a couple of minutes of ideation there कि इसमें बात करने का तो ऐसा होगा. It just came up naturally.
Yes,
right?
it just came up. Yeah.
So, but next time when we meet, let us choose a topic right away. तो आपको क्या लगता है किस टॉपिक में बात करें?
Let us decide. Let us give some time to pause and ponder.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Will that work?
No, I think we better just come and talk.
We will just come and talk. Maybe from that talk we will develop a certain topic.
Okay. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay. So, thank you very much.
Okay. With that, I would like to say amor vincit omnia for me. That that is very, very important, because I really preach the language of love. So the tag itself, amor vincit, yeah, definitely. The tag itself, amor vincit omnia. It's a beautiful word from Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, and it says that love conquereth all. So for me, I really am a firm believer of that language, sir. So even if we don't communicate, even if we don't talk in real sense, if you shower love, that itself is a great language, sir. We can speak and communicate on that. So thank you so much for inviting me here, sir, and we'll have endless conversation this way. So let's be professional, and then.
Well, in fact, I have just conceived an idea. I will start a playlist on it. We will choose one particular
any such topic.
Topic or one philosophical vakya, just say quote, and we shall dive deep into there. We'll try to understand the mind of the philosopher who's ever written that.
Yeah.
And
we'll try to relate it with today's time, like how much relevance is there so that we can come up with some authentic talks and we can share our perspective.
And
Just like that.
my perspective will be more inclined toward the scientific explanation.
Since you are a science guy, and then it will be much of theoretical and psychological, I'd say.
Mine will be on logic, let's say. Anyway, so let's cut it off.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.